Welcome back to Kunes Performance TV, everybody. I'm Kyle Dixon. I'm with the performance team here at Kunes Ford in Delavan, Wisconsin. I am super pumped to be out here today featuring the new and improved 2024 Shelby F-150. I'm out here with two trucks today. One is antimatter blue metallic. The other one's a white metallic, both with black stripes. I'm going to go over some of the new features from Shelby this year on the Shelby F-150. I'm going to do a quick walk around of these trucks for y'all. So let's get this thing started. Let's start with the most obvious changes from Shelby American this year on the 2024 Shelby F-150, the front end. This thing looks so mean and so stealthy, it's awesome. Well, you've got your dual ram air intake hood like years in the past, but this year you've got a custom honeycomb insert grille down all the way at the bottom here as well. You've got custom painted bumpers from Shelby. Also, the headlight housing is worked in to the honeycomb grille here. Looks absolutely great. And of course, you've got your Shelby snake here, the emblem here in the front. Looks absolutely amazing. Now, your stock chassis comes from Ford with the 5-liter Coyote V8 paired with a 10-speed transmission. The stock 5-liter V8 is tuned to 395 horsepower. Now, Shelby is going to give you a high-flow filter, an oversized carbon fiber intake tube, performance injectors, performance spark plugs, an upgraded billet throttle body, a supercharger that's 3 liters, powder coated with the intake manifold Ford Racing Blue, and it's new this year from Shelby American, a new tune of 785 horsepower. That is a ton of ponies. Now, for the profile of this magnificent truck, you've got your painted fender flares from Shelby, you've got your functional fender venting from Shelby with the Shelby logo and the F-150 off-road logo. You've also got your rocker panel striping with the Shelby lettering, as well as the 785 horsepower. You've got your rock guard trim, as well as your running boards that come down from the truck and your rock lighting. You've got your fender flare in the rear, and also you've got the 3D Shelby logo this year. A little bit of a change up this year from Shelby. Looks absolutely great. Now for your wheels, you've got 22-inch alloy wheels from Shelby. They are wrapped in a 35-inch KO2 all-terrain tire from BF Goodrich. Also, you've got a 3-inch BDS suspension lift. Makes this truck look awesome. A nice leveling stance to it. Looks great. And you've got your 2.5-inch dual adjustable speed Fox shocks. Now, these are adjustable to your driving style or to the terrain that you're driving on. Now, for the rear end of this beautiful truck, you've got your rally striping coming down the hard painted tonneau cover from Shelby. You've got your 3D Shelby lettering coming across the tailgate. Of course, you've got your beautiful Ford oval here. You've got your painted bumpers from Shelby, and you've got your dual black tip exhaust. Another great upgrade from Shelby this year is the catback Borla exhaust tune. It has a new deep throaty sound. It is an absolute monster sound. Now, inside the bed of the truck, your tonneau cover is lined with carpet, and you've also got your bed rug bed liner. It's easy removable, Velcroed in, easy to clean, looks great, smells great, a great addition to this truck. The 2024 Shelby F-150 is built on the stock 502A luxury Lariat package from Ford. It's a fully loaded truck. It's got all your safety and your tech features. You've got heated and ventilated seats. You've got a 10-inch plus touchscreen. You've got a twin panel moonroof with a power sunshade. Another great upgrade from Ford is your heads-up display. It's got the temperature, it's got the time, and it's got, of course, your odometer. You're going to be wanting to watch your speed when you're driving this thing. Shelby's compliments to the interior of this truck are full leather recovers with red stitching. You've got a carbon fiber package, you've got billet racing pedals, and you've got your official Shelby CSM serial number plaque on the center console. All around, the interior of this truck looks absolutely great. If you're interested in the 2024 785 horsepower Shelby F-150, I've included my contact information in the video description below. Thank you so much for checking in to Kunes Performance TV. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and have a great day.